everybody, it's me, Sarah, Director of Awesome here at the iMag, and we are here with our iMag at Home videos. Now, today I want to talk to you about some new programming we're going to be offering here at the iMag, and that is going to be our Science Saturdays and Family Sundays. And what's going to happen on those days is we're going to be offering some fun workshops on Saturday that are for the kids, and they're only about a half-hour long, and it's just quick, easy science experiments that they can do, and then you guys get to explore the museum. And then on Sunday, we're going to be offering workshops that are for families to do together, and then again, also the museum will be open for you guys to explore as well. And so today, we're going to be doing just an example of one of the activities you could be doing in one of our workshops. And so this one is part of our Fizzy Foamy Reactions workshop that is coming up on September 26th. And so for this one, this is just going to be one example. We're going to be using vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring, and we're gonna make a fizzy foamy mess. And so I'm gonna use this test tube set right here. Now when you come to class, the cool thing is you're gonna get your own little test tube set that you're gonna get to do your experiments in, and you're gonna get to take it home. But I figured we'd do a couple extra today. So the first thing we wanna do is we're gonna add some baking soda into our test tubes. Now, it's okay if you make a little bit of a mess, because trust me, at the end, it's gonna be a big old mess anyway. So we're gonna add baking soda to all of our test tubes here. And then we're gonna come over, and I have already poured my vinegar into some small cups because I figured that would make it a little bit easier to pour. So these all have vinegar in them, and we're gonna dye them different colors, because of course I like things when they're bright and colorful. So we're gonna do some green, we're gonna do some red, and some blue, and then also some yellow. And the next thing we're gonna do is the important part, is we're gonna actually put on our safety goggles, just in case. So when you do this reaction, this is actually an acid-base reaction. So our baking soda is a base, and our vinegar is an acid. And when you mix them together, they're going to make carbon dioxide gas. So the other cool part about this experiment is you're doing a lot of different chemistry concepts. Even though it's a really simple experiment, you're working with different states of matter. So you've got solids, baking soda, liquid, that's going to be our vinegar over here, and then we're making our gas, which is going to be our carbon dioxide. You're also working with physical and chemical changes. So a physical change is where you change the way something looks, but it's still the same thing. That's going to be our vinegar. All we did was dye it a different color. It's still vinegar. The other thing we could talk about is chemical changes. That's where we make something new. In this case, when we mix our baking soda and our vinegar, we're gonna make carbon dioxide gas. We're not gonna be able to get just our baking soda and just our vinegar back. We've made something new. So again, pretty simple experiment, but lots of different things that you're learning while you're doing this. Plus, it's just lots of fun because you're making a big mess. So I'm gonna actually move this out of the way, just in case, and we're gonna come over here and try this out. So here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, this is going to be part of our Fizzy Foamy Reactions, and this is going to be one of our Science Saturday workshops. So to get information about this, you're going to go onto our website, and you're going to find links on there where you can actually register for these workshops. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon.